Hello students, we are doing subject Environmental Studies Part 1 Lesson number 15 My District, My State. Welcome to Vidyabhushan English Primary School Standard 4th Online Studies. Now we will see the lesson My District, My State. Students, you might have seen the tree. You have seen the different parts of the tree. You know different parts of the tree. Now here some questions are given that we will see. What are the different parts of the tree? The different parts of the tree are leaf, branch, stem, root, flowers, fruits. These are the different parts of the trees. Now second question is asked, which of these parts are seen on a tree most of the time? Most of the time which parts we can see? We can see leaves, stem, fruit, branches. These things we can see on the tree. Third question is asked, which is the smallest part of a tree and what it is attached to? The smallest part of the tree you can see it is a leaf and it is attached to branches. Leaves are attached to branches. Fourth, a tree has many small branches. What are they attached to? Branches are attached to big branches and all the branches are attached to the stem. Fifth question is asked, how many big branches does the trunk of the tree have? Now the trunk of the tree have many big branches. You might have seen the big trees. So it has many big branches. So in the same way, how the tree has many parts. In the same way, our state has many districts. In the same way, our state, Maharashtra state, has many districts and many district has many talukas and talukas have different towns and cities. We will see that. First we will see how these talukas and cities have formed. Now man began to farm the land. You might have seen in the villages people do farming, people do agriculture. So man began to farm the land. His fields were near water. His fields were where he was doing farming, that was near water. So it was easy for him to stay nearby it so that he can do the farming, he can take the water easily and he can stay there easily. So he settled near his farm and began to live there. So he started living there. So in this way, first small hamlets formed. Hamlets means a small settlement. It is smaller than a village. First small villages, small settlement developed. Then slowly the houses increased and big villages formed. After settlements, big villages formed. Now in this way, hamlets, settlements grown and they formed villages and afterwards it develops into big cities. In this way, development was seen. Now you can see the Maharashtra state. As in the Maharashtra state, you can see a Gadchiroli district. Yes. And in the Gadchiroli district, now you can see different talukas. The names of this taluka is Aheri, Bhamragad, Armori, Dhanora, Kurcheda, Desegani, Korchi, Chamorshi, Mulchera, Aheri, Sironcha, Etapalli. These different talukas you can see. Now in each and every taluka there is different towns, there is different villages. As in Armori taluka is here in the Gadchiroli district. In Armori taluka here village is shown, that is Vairagad village. In this way, in the state different districts are there and in different districts talukas are there. In that talukas, village and towns we can see. So in this way everything is formed. Now here we can see our Maharashtra state once again. Some questions are given. First is, what is the name of the mountain that spread from the north to the south in our state? Now the name of the mountain which is spread from the north to the south in our state, the name of that mountain is Sahyadri mountain. Sahyadri mountain is spread from the north to the south. You can see in the map, Sahyadri mountain is spread from the north to the south. Second question, what is the name given to the region to the west of this mountain? The name given to the region to the west of this mountain, west you can see here, west as the directions are given, west. So west is here, you can see the name of that region is Konkan region. Konkan region you can see here. So the name is Konkan region. Third question, on the shore of which sea does this region lie? So on the shore of which sea does this region, Konkan region, lie? So Konkan region here you can see, and here you can see the Arabian Sea. So on the shore of Arabian Sea, this Konkan region lie. Fourth question, what is the area to the east of the Sahyadri mountain called? East of the Sahyadri mountain, what is the area to the east of the Sahyadri mountain called? To the east of the Sahyadri mountain is Maharashtra Plateau. Maharashtra Plateau you can see here. Now next question, what is the name of the mountain in the northern part of our state? The name of the mountain in the northern part of the state, northern means upper side. You can see here Satpura mountain you can see at the northern part. Now sixth question, which is the river in our state which flows from the east to the west? Now from the east to the east, here directions are given, east to the west. From east to the west, which river flows? You can see the river Tapi. Here R river Tapi you can see. Now seventh question is asked. Write the name of the two rivers which flow from northwest to southeast. The name of the two rivers which flows from northwest to southeast. So the names of the two rivers which flow from northwest to southeast is Godavari and Bhima river. Here you can see Godavari and Bhima river. Godavari and Bhima river. Here you can see. Next question. Write the names of any two rivers which have their origin in the Sahyadri mountain and flow into the Arabian Sea. So the name of two rivers which have their origin in the Sahyadri mountain and flow into the Arabian Sea, these rivers are Savitri and Vashishti. You have to search in the map. The rivers are Savitri and Vashishti. Ninth question is asked, find the ranges which originate in the Sahyadri mountain and spread to the east. Write their names. The names are Mahadev, Harishchandra, Balghat. These rivers we can see. You can search on the map. Next question is given, write the name of any three dams shown on the map. The three dams you can see on the map are, the three dams you can see are Jayakwadi you can see here, Jayakwadi. Then next Yeldari, Jayakwadi, Yeldari dam you can see, and the next is Vishnupuri, Ujni, Vishnupuri, here Ujni, here you can see Ujni. These dams you can see on the map. Bhandardara also here you can see on the map. Now next, which river are these dams built on? Now these dams are built on the rivers names are given: Godavari, Purna river, then Bhima river, Katepurna river. You can search the names. The rivers are given on the map. Now last question is asked. Name the important ghats in the Sahyadri mountain. The important ghats you can see the important ghats, that is Bhor Ghat. Here downside you can see the names: Bhor Ghat, Amboli Ghat, Thal Ghat, Honda Ghat. These ghats you can see. Here names you can see. These ghats, Bhor Ghat, you can see on the map. So in this way we can understand about mountains, rivers which are shown on the map. Remaining part we will see in part 2. Thank you.